Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to log into Emirates Airlines website. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to Emirates Airlines login. Now click on login here. This will take you to the login page. Here you'll need to enter you can accept these cookies and enter your email address or Emirates Skywards number if you have one and your password to log in. Now if you wanna keep yourself logged into this device, click on here. Well, if you have forgotten your email or account number, click on that link to reset and retrieve your number or email. Same goes with your password. If you have forgotten or want to create new, you can click on that link. Also, if you are new here and haven't created an account yet, click on Join Now button to create your account and set up. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till then, take care and safe travels.